how to use the Scruff dating app, basically a beginner's tutorial. So Scruff is a dating, chat, and social app mainly for gay or bi, trans, and queer people. So if you want to start, of course, you can download the Scruff app from the App Store or Google Play. Pretty much directly search for Scruff, and once done installing, you can open it. There you can create your profile, and if you already have an account, of course, you can sign in, but probably don't. So press and create an account and take a look at all of these rules and whatnot, and privacy policies, terms of service, and press an I understand. Type in when you were born as well, and it's better to just put in the actual information you have and not putting anything. And then a profile name. So your name for your profile, of course, you can be original, you can just make it yours. Depends on you. You can also add your email. This one is optional, and this will let you access your profile again if you reinstall. Then you can put in a photo to your profile. Members with photos get 5 times the attention apparently as those without a profile. Although this is optional, you can put in a profile if you'd like. Then you can put in your communities. So select up to 5 communities that represent you the best. This will most likely help you find people that matches you the most. So we're just gonna go ahead and put on all of the things we could probably prefer, more of the similar stuff, which is things that you prefer as well, and you can finally get started. So after your profile is ready, you can explore the main grid to see the people near you. So you're gonna have to allow your locations, of course, in order for that to happen. Notifications, if you really want to see or know whenever somebody messages you something. But other than that, you can start browsing. So you can either chat and save the profile or share request a private album when appropriate. You can also use the search and filters to narrow down the type of people you want to meet. And Scruff's travel features can help you connect with locals before visiting another city, and for safety, of course, avoid sharing personal info too fast. Meet in public first, and then with your instincts, you can trust your instincts. Use block or report if someone does act suspicious or somewhat disrespectful. Scruff also has profile content rules, so keep public photos and text within their guidelines. And other than that, you can start exploring anything you prefer. You can take a look and discover. If your location was on, you can take a look at the nearby people and the matches as well. That will pretty much set to your preferences. Anyways, you have the bottom option. You can browse people. You have the cruise, which will take a look at the people that has looked at you. Wolves, apparently, matches, and the recent people. You also have the inbox where, of course, you'll see the people you have chatted with and the people you had conversations with, the albums, as we pretty much mentioned, and the explore section. You have the events, ventures, and finally, the bottom right option, which is a pro feature. You can unlock the benefits of course, more stuff, up to 1,000 nearby members, unlimited private stuff. You can take a look at what it gives you. There's a week, a month, 3 months, 12-month option. So take a look at what you would prefer. But the free option does give you lots of stuff already. But if you want more, of course, there's the pro option. But that's pretty much the general idea on what Scruff does. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.